Hi everyone. Different birds have different songs, and I have a special book that talks about some of those songs. It's called Birdsong by Audrey Wood. I have the storyteller's note here. Birds are everywhere. Throughout the ages, poets, scholars, and common folk have been fascinated by the songs of birds. Sometimes their whistles, trills, and chirps have reminded people of words or sounds they know. Those words or sounds are frequently used to describe the songs of many birds, and especially to help us identify birds in the wild. Caw, caw, caw. Swaying on telephone wires, jaunty crows banter at dawn. Missy and Denny awaken to birdsong. For breakfast, Armando and Juan eat tortillas, eggs, and beans. What cheer! What cheer! What cheer! Saucy cardinals chatter just beyond their windows. Traffic lights change. Taxis race down big city streets. Nearby, there is a little park nestled among the skyscrapers. While Jordan and Ellie play, gentle pigeons splash and make their cooing calls. Coo-a-roo, coo-a-roo, coo-a-roo. In Yoshiko's flowering garden, tiny hummingbirds battle bumblebees. Chip, 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 and gather nectar from hibiscus blossoms. Chip, chip, chip. Over the hills, down in the valley, Roger and Dawn begin their morning chores. Bubblink, bubblink, spink, spink, spink. Chattering bobolinks search for tasty morsels in plowed fields. Dear me, dear me, dear me. Swift goldfinches swoop over corn stalks ripening in the sun. For a secret lunch, Jason's neighborhood friends meet in their treehouse hideaway. Chickadee! Friendly chickadees flutter down to eat walnuts from their hands. Where can the Miller twins go when the sun burns through their t-shirts and their hot feet ache in their laced-up sneakers? Down to the cool moss-banked pond where gawk, gawk, startled herons fly up from water reed with salamanders dangling from their beaks. The day is long. There is plenty of time for adventure. So Ranto and Navarra paddled down a winding river. Rickety crick crick, rickety crick crick. Crafty kingfishers dive for insects, tadpoles, and silvery minnows. Up in the mountains, on wildflower trails, the air is thin and the summer moon shines pale in a sunny sky. Jim and Lou stop to listen. Kier, kier, kier. Fearless hawks soar high above their heads as they search for prey. Everyone is hungry on the Dalton Ranch. Down in the grassy meadow, plump bobwhites gossip, bob white, as they bob for juicy berries. Chickatucky-tuck, musical tanagers sing while feeding their fledglings. After a snack, Bernard and Francis lie down for a nap. But who can rest in the noisy bayou? Yucca, yucca, yucca! Determined woodpeckers drum on dead tree limbs. Bumperlunk, bumperlunk! Suspicious bitterns fuss while hiding in cattails, and busy rails call kek, 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 while sparing crawdads. As afternoon shadows stretch like long fingers on the forest floor, Alex chases Andrew. Teacher, 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 bossy ovenbirds scold from low branches. Now the sun is down and the day is done. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill, the worried whippoorwill calls Dahlia and Orrin home. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Snug in their cozy beds, Daniel and Bruce are searching for sleep. Whoo, whoo, whoo. A questioning owl hoots from a hollow in her tree. The day ends as it began with birdsong. And these are just some of the songs that some of the birds sing. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.